Welcome to the Bead Flora book Bead Along. We are working our way to make this wildflowers arrangement. This is lesson 3 for the Brown Eyed Susans. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora Studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. On this channel, I offer technique reference guides, tip videos, and free French beaded flower tutorials just like this one. If you are new here and would like to start making bead and wire flowers, check out the Bead Along playlist to start learning the techniques. You don't need to buy the book to make this project because I'll release the full pattern. The book is also part of the Kindle Unlimited program, so if you'd like to check it out, you can get a 30-day free trial. I did put together a bead kit with all the materials you need to make this arrangement. Materials and links will be in the description. For today's lesson, we'll be working on the leaves and the calyx. Now we'll make the leaves, and I have some green wire already strung on 24 gauge green copper core wire. Okay, for leaf A, we're going to do a 3 bead basic. And the pattern calls for pointed tops and pointed bottoms. And leaf A calls for 5 rows. Now we'll be working on the calyx, and we will be stringing the beads on as we make it. So I have my green beads here in my bead spinner, and I already have a length of 18 inches of 28 gauge wire already cut. And I have a knot at one end here because we don't want the beads to fall out. So to start out with, cut 18 inches of wire and then string on 11 beads. The technique that we'll be using is the fringe loop. Okay, so 5, 2, bring them all to one end here, and not entirely to the end. We'll leave a tail here, about 3 inches here. Let's hold on to this point. Now we're going to skip the first bead. So move this bead here out of the way. Take the end of the wire here and thread it through to the next 2 beads. So thread it through the second and the third bead. Pull it. And so now we have this stopper end bead here. So this is what we have right now. If you notice, we have 8 beads on the left here. So we're going to string another 8 beads onto the wire. So now we're going to make the loop here, and all we need to do is to twist these 2 wires together at the base. Cross the 2 wires and then twist. You can twist a couple times. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 if you want. Just to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so now let's make another one. And for the pattern, we're going to alternate between the 8 bead loops with some 5 bead loops. So to make the 5 bead fringe loops, we're going to string on 8 beads. Okay, so we have 8 beads here, and again we're going to move 1 bead out of the way so that it is the stopper bead. and then string the end of the wire through the second and the third bead. Now let's string 5 more beads onto the wire here. And with this, you can twist the 2 wires together, or you can just wrap the working wire around the base here. So I'll show you how I would do that. So just take this and just wrap it around. Now we have a 5 bead fringe loop. And with this pattern, I'm going to alternate with the 8 bead fringe loop and the 5 bead fringe loop until I have 8. So there'll be 4 of the 8 bead loops and 4 of the 5 bead loops. So here we have the calyx all done. So all we're going to do is twist the 2 ending tail wires together. Finally, in the next lesson, I'll show you how to assemble the flowers. If you haven't already, join me in the French Beaded Flowers Facebook group to show off your flowers. Email me pictures of your flowers and I may feature it in a future video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week for the next lesson.